everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. Today we have a very quick haul. First up, we have a pair of golden hoops from Jessica Simpson. They have colorful rhinestones on them and I really think these are beautiful. Next up, we have an anklet from Quinn Rose and it's done in gold over sterling silver, and I really like the eye detail on there. Next up, we have a pair of sterling silver earrings from Naomi Hale, and I love the flowers on these. They're so colorful. It looks like it's perfect for spring. And next up, we have a pair of pearl hoop earrings from Kristen Siriano. I really like the gold details on there and the pearls as well. Next up, we have a wallet from Betsey Johnson. I love the rose pattern. It's really pretty. Here's the back. Let's have a look at the inside really quick so you guys can see. Now, if you're interested in purchasing anything from today's video, you can always go over to my Poshmark page or you can send me an email. Next up, we have another wallet from Betsey Johnson, and I really love this one. It's really cute. I love the rainbow pattern, and I like the little ears on top. Let's take a look at the inside. Very pretty. Our final item today is this handbag by Betsey Johnson, and I think it's perfect for spring. I love the rainbow pattern, and it's a nice sized bag. Let's have a look at the inside. I like the lining. And here's the back. Very pretty. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!